There are many visual wonders in the ocean, but none of them look the same through the eye of the microscope. What will you see today in the microscope? Sea stars. There are a vast number of sea star species in the ocean. Sea stars come in all types of sizes, have different numbers of arms, and a whole set of physical characteristics that make them easy to spot. But what would these creatures look like if we took a closer look? One of the most unique things about a sea star is the way they eat. The sea star wraps its arms around the shells and uses its sticky 2 feet to pull open the shell. And last but not least, he spits out his stomach. The bat star uses its suction cups to hold on to things, like this mussel clam. Have you ever wondered how sea stars could get around? Not just get around, but how do they move those 2 feet specifically? Well, it's because they have something called a water vascular system. In the microscope, we can see this patch that stands out. That's something called a madreporite. And without it, the sea star wouldn't be able to move. Well, I'm glad we found this one. I bet you didn't know that sea stars have gills. Well, they do. The small clear tubular objects shown here are known as the gills. This is what sea stars use to deliver oxygen throughout their bodies. Here you can see the difference between a bat star and an ochre star's gills. There's so many gills. What a strange number of functions for a sea star seen through the eye of the microscope.